So today topic is how rice water protects your hair. Rice water contains vitamins and minerals that nourish the hair and scalp. May encourage growth to make it let about a cup of rice ferment into 3 cups of water for one day. Use it 1 or 2 times per week and you can expect result within a few weeks or months. Homage beauty rice water can help your hair grow longer and stronger. Here is how to make it at home, written by Sanjana, Gupta, March 13, 2022. Rice water, to make it, let about a cup of rice water and use it per week, and you can see the hair grow very well. Are cooking rice, and it's been used for years skin care in many Asian countries for centuries. For instance, Japan court ladies from the Henan period 794 to 1145 had floor length tweezers that they would rinse the rice water for healthy growth and better elasticity. In India, rice water is used as a remedy to treat eczema. According to the cosmetic dermatologist Michael Green, MD, rice water is full of vitamins and minerals that are essential to hair growth, can help improve look and feel of your hair. She says these nutrients help strengthen the hair follicles, improve the density of hair, it make it look healthy and shiny. Here's why you need to know about the benefits of water for hair and you can use it. Does rice water help your hair really grow? Yes. Rice water contains many antioxidants and vitamins which are beneficial for hair health growth, says Greens. According to the Greens, some of the nutrients in rice water that can benefit your hair are folic acid, magnesium, and inositol. It also contains amino acid and that let it act as a protein treatment to strengthen and protect the hair. Here how some of the vitamins and minerals in the rice can impact your tissues. Folic acid, vitamin B3 and selenium are the important for the cell turnover and overall health of scalp, hair follicle. They stimulate hair growth and help strengthen and thickness the hair. Vitamin B3 and allotoin improve the strength and elasticity of hair follicle and reduce inflammation by increasing blood flow with the scalp. Magnesium dissolve calcium build on their hair from hard water and hair follicles. Vitamin B8 is found in many foods like fruits, nuts, beans, grains. Your body also uses carbohydrates to make its own inositol. These nutrients increase hair elasticity, make the hair stronger. A small study in 2012 found that taking inositol supplement for 180 days helped stimulate hair growth and reduce thinning. Rice water can help undo some of the damage caused by stress, health issue, chemical products like dyes or that can cause your scalp to become dry and your hair follicles to get damaged. According to the Green, when you have a clean and well functional scalp, you will in turn have healthy, strong, and shiny hair that grows, says Green. Okay, I hope you like the video. Hit the bell icon and like, subscribe, comment below so we can share more videos like that in future. Have a good day. Thank you.